Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala special simple cowpeas curry recipe for chapati and rice. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of cowpeas. We have washed and soaked cowpeas for 8 hours. Add 4 chopped garlics, 1 sliced onion, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 2 cups of water to cook the cowpeas. Cook for 3 whistles on high flame. Cooking time will be different for each cooker. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for at least 20 minutes before opening. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Cowpeas have cooked well. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Then add 2 red chilies cut into halves, some curry leaves and mix it for 10 seconds on low flame. Now add 6 to 7 sliced shallots and mix it well. Saute it for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame until it turns to light golden color. Mix it well. Then add 1 teaspoon red chili powder and mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Now add the cooked cowpeas to it. Add some water if required. Mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame. Kerala special simple cowpeas curry recipe is ready.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
If you are making in this quantity, you can serve it for 6 portions. You can serve it along with chapati or rice for best taste.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.